Hello, hola, welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus YouTube channel. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today I got another good one for you. On the previous video, we talked about some side hustles in 2022 that can make you $10,000 a month. Well, this is part 2. So today we're going to talk about more side hustles in 2022 to make you $10,000 a month. We can say this is part 2. So come on in. On this YouTube channel, we talk about real estate, we talk about side hustles, we talk about stocks, we talk about wholesaling real estate, we talk about lending some money to get you there, everything to help you to become a better you. So let's jump right into it. I always have some boom nuggets, so make sure you stay to the end. I also will be doing my shout outs. Don't forget, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, you definitely want to do so because I give gems, nuggets, golden nuggets that will help you crush it in real estate, help you crush it with your credit, help you crush it with money, income, and your life. Number 1, a food vending business. You often see food trucks, food vendors. That is a good one. You can make $10,000 a month plus as a food vendor. You can go to concerts, special events. You can do fairs, the food vending business. Or you may look into getting a food truck. Number 2, a credit repair business. You may want to look at a credit repair business. This is the new year, and a lot of folk are on this mission to get good credit, to change their lives and make 2022 a better year. One of the things that often holds individuals back is their credit. So start a credit repair business. Look it up. That's a pretty good business, a credit repair business. Number 3, an insurance business. This insurance is actually a recession-proof type of industry. I tell you, in the insurance business, it's always in demand. All right, we're moving right along. The fourth business, side hustle, stream of income that can make you $10,000 a month. Become a traveling nurse. These are the businesses no one's talking about. These are the side hustles that they're not talking about. And if I'm saying anything that's going to help you out or that's putting something on your mind and making you say, smash that like button. I need that like button because YouTube loves to see likes. It helps out the algorithm and helps me keep creating content to help you become a better you and to give you these things that's going to make a difference in your life. So if I'm saying anything, if you could right now, subscribe if you haven't already. Press the subscribe. It's free. Doesn't cost a thing to subscribe. Do that for me, then make sure you hit, bang on that like button. Okay, we're gonna keep it moving. Remember, on the last video, I said I have so many ideas and so many side hustles that you can make all this money. There's side hustles that you can make $1,000 a month, $5,000 a month extra, and also $10,000 a month extra and $20,000 a month. Everything is how much you put into it. So keep that in mind. I hope you have your Rena MoMoney pad because I'm always releasing these gems. If you have any questions or any concerns about side hustles or how to get into it, or I just touched on one of them on either this part 2 or part 1, if you look farther down in the YouTube channel, you'll see some previous best side hustles that you can make a little extra money a month but will actually cost you nothing to get into or very little to get into. You definitely want to check it out. Some cost a little more to get into and some not as much, but these are side hustles that can make a difference in your life. All right, moving right along. The next one is create your own podcast. So create your own podcast. That's another stream of income. The next one is just what I just said, starting a YouTube channel. Showcase what you learn, showcase what you know. Teach something you know about, something you're good at, sell something, start with ebooks on there. But you want to look at starting a YouTube channel. You definitely want to look at these side hustles. I have a few more. I have a lot more. So you always want to stay to the end. You always want to look at it all the way through because I have golden nuggets in between, beginning, and at the end. And speaking of a boom nugget, I want to release one right now. So we all know that credit cards are a great way to build your credit and earn cash back. And so here are some of the best ones for 2022. So here is my next boom nugget. One thing I want to make sure I say, here's this tip. Always pay your credit cards off in full every month or keep your utilization under 20%. It's best if you keep it under 10%. So the boom nugget right now, Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card. It's great if you shop on Amazon. You get 10% back on a lot of selected products. 5% back on other purchases. It's a great cashback type of card, especially if you already currently shop on Amazon Prime, Amazon.com. So Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card. That's a great boom boom nugget, a great credit card to get for 2022, especially if you're talking about cash back. And remember, I said it's not always about how much you make. It's also about how much you can save. The next one is great for travelers. If you like to travel, Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. It's great if you like to travel. You get more points, bonus points. It's primarily for diners and travelers. So there is an annual fee involved, but check into that, check into it. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying you should go get this card. I'm saying these are some boom boom nugget credit cards that you need to look at. So those were two great boom boom nuggets for you. And I have another one or two for you before we get off of here, but I want to go back to those side hustles. Let's get back to some more great side hustles for 2022 that's going to make you $10,000 a month. The next one is Airbnb. If you haven't heard of it, Airbnb is like short-term rental homes, usually beach homes, second homes, where folk come in and do a vacation home, things of that nature, and they rent it out. It's like renting out property, but it's short-term rentals. Airbnb is a little different as well because you rent them out fully furnished. So look that up. Airbnb is a nice, good side hustle. And there's ways you can get started with Airbnb without actually owning another home or owning the home. That's another video. We'll talk about that. Let me know if that's something you're interested in. If you're interested in going more into Airbnb, interested in more going into subject to or anything to do with real estate, comment below on these side hustles. If it seemed like that property management assistant and all that good stuff we talked about, if you need a little bit more help with that, comment below. Let me know where you are and let me tell me which one most interests you. Put that in the comment section below. Okay, you know what I like to do. I like to give my shout outs. My shout outs is a congratulations. My shout outs is a thank you to the new subscribers and old subscribers, the commenters, the ones who have liked. This is for you all to let you know that I greatly appreciate you. So if you are on here for the first time and you have not seen other Rena MoMoney videos, you need to definitely subscribe. It's free. I randomly select subscribers to give a shout out to. I randomly select. So if I don't mention you, I'm sorry, I can't hit them all, but I randomly select shout outs. I also randomly select those that may put a really nice comment in the comment section. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. And here we go. These are my new subscribers. These are the new subscribers. Give yourself a hand. Congratulations. Congratulations. Rena MoMoney. Really appreciate you. You help out the YouTube algorithm. You keep me going. You make me come back to do these and give you these great tips and tools to help you become a better you. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Here you are here. I want you to clap yourself up because you've made that step. And that's very important. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you again. I can't thank you enough. I come on this channel 2 times a week to bring you nothing but valuable information. So smash the like button. Let me know that you like me. Like me if you like me. Also, I need to mention, if you need help in real estate, any area of real estate, wholesaling, anything to do with real estate or investing, give me a call. Give me a call. Feel free to schedule a coaching call. Look down below. You'll see down below where you can schedule at Calendly.com/Rena MoMoney. Also, don't forget to look in the description. I have some valuable tips and resources that's in the description that you can use on your journey to this success. So look down in the description below. There's something that you can change. There's something that you can add. So make sure you do that. Make sure you take a look at the description and schedule a coaching call if you need to. Great. Now I want to give another boom boom nugget. I told you I want to give out those nuggets. Here is a credit card that's good for beginners. And they're very flexible. They're very easy to get. Chase Freedom Flex Card. Check into it. Chase Freedom Flex Card. Again, this is not financial advice. This is something to help you get to it and help you crush it and becoming a better you. If there's more that you want to see of this, if there's more side hustles, then comment down below. What's your favorite side hustle? Comment down below. Let me know your favorite side hustle, or let me know which side hustle you want me to elaborate on. Also, comment below if you want me to move more into passive income. You may be saying, Rena MoMoney, I'm doing some of this. Rena MoMoney, we've heard a lot of side hustles. These are some great side hustles. You have several videos on great side hustles, but it's the new year and I want to move more into passive income where money just keep rolling in with me hardly doing anything. If you're saying that, smash the like button. Smash the like button right now. You want some more side hustles from videos that will give you some passive income? Well, guess what? We'll do that next. We'll do that on the next one. But we've talked about a few already. We've talked about car rental business. We talked about Airbnb, affiliate marketing, and a few others on the first part 1 and this video part 2. But if you want more of that, comment below. Say hello. If you're new to the channel, say hello. I need to hear from you. Well, that's all I have for you on this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you. I look forward to seeing you on the next Rena MoMoney. Make sure to stay tuned. We're going to talk about some passive income side hustles. We're going to talk about how to kill it in real estate. We're also going to talk about the 5 killer techniques to sell a house. So make sure you subscribe. Get ready. I'm ready for you. You have a good day and you take care.